Hello, my YouTube family. How are you all? Today I'm going to share a very nice activity. It's a preschooler early learners activity, and this activity will help your kids to understand different things' names, and they will be able to speak different words. So if they are like struggling to speak some words, you take these names in front of them. You can make this cow box, and you have to do is you take any milk box or any cardboard box like this and take a white page, and you will take a glue and you will wrap around this box. So first you have to hide this area. You can paste any tape, you can lock it, and you can open and close again and again. So because your kids will put the things in it, and you can take so many things like alphabets and paper vegetables, and you can take numerical numbers 1 2 3, and they can put in this box. So first you will wrap around the white page, and later on what you will do is you will draw a cow, and if you keep watching the video you will learn this whole tutorial. So first let's wrap this white page, and you will need a paper glue and white page, and I'm always telling the things I'm using, and I'm also covering this area of the box. Let's draw the cow. So this is how I'm drawing the cow. First I will draw with pencil, so if there will be no mistake. If there is some mistake, we can erase it with the help of eraser. So I'm drawing the horns. So you will draw with pencil nose, lips and smiley face of the cow. And later on I will tell you what you have to do for making the space to put the things inside the box. So you will need a paper cutter or a cardboard cutter. So let's draw the nose properly, and let's make eyes. And this is a very nice activity for your kids because they love it. I made for my kids and they loved it. And you can introduce new words to your children if they are trying to learn new words. My son is almost 3 and he is trying to speak. He's struggling to speak. So these days we have to put some effort to make the kids speak. So I daily give him practices. I daily speak in front of him so he can learn very easily. So let's color the cow print with the black marker. So guys, it's not too much time taking task. You can make it, and you can choose the things according to your need. So if you want to teach your kids alphabets, you can only take alphabets. If you want to teach them some vegetables names, you can take vegetables. So I am trying to make my son and daughter some new words, like new vegetables names, new alphabets. So my son is like 3, and he's not completely 3. He will be 3 after some months, but he need to speak, he need to learn new words. So, and we are also giving him some phonics and sound practices. So this is the great activity for your kids to make them speak, and you can also use it as a speech activity. This is the best thing for your kids because you can put anything in this cow mouth. So now I'm going to finish this coloring with black marker, and now I will cut it. So you will cut this cow face, and it's not that difficult. Just cut it and paste it to your box. And if you keep watching, please keep watching, and I'm gonna tell you what you have to do after pasting this cow head. So you have colored it. Now I'm using a glue. You can use any paper glue, and I'm using an ice cream stick. So I'm going to paste it on the cardboard box. So first I'm gonna paste it on the cardboard, white cardboard, because I want to make it little stronger so the kids will not be able to tear it. So let's cut this one also, and now again paste the glue. And let's cut it. So let's paste it first, and later on we will cut the mouth area to make the space for putting the things. So let's attach it with the help of this glue. You can take any glue which helps to attach or join wood or paper. So let's paste this cow on the box, and you will see your kids are gonna love it. So let's paste this activity. And now we will draw the area, the space where we will cut. So you will need a paper cutter and you will cut this area. Maybe you will need the scissors as well, and you can mark with pencil first and then cut it with the help of cutter. And be very careful about your fingers. You just pick up the upper part and cut it with the help of scissors also. So it will be neat and clean, and your activity is almost ready. So you can take the things and paper, vegetables, and anything you can take. If you have old books, I had some old books, so I took the pictures from the old books. So it's up to you. You can buy foamic vegetables which are easily going to fix in this area. So I also took alphabets. I'll show you, and which was really helpful. Look, you can see, you can open the box and your things will come out in the end. So let's cut the vegetables. It is an old book page, and you will cut the paper according to your desired shape, and later on you can apply tape because your kids will not be able to damage the page. So let's cut like this and let's apply the tape. So this is the onion picture. If you want to teach your kids vegetables names or alphabets or anything, if you're struggling your kids to speak, you can also introduce this activity. So I am making the grass shape. I hope you like my activity, and I hope you will feed the cow and you will allow your kids and you will give them this activity for feeding the cow. And I have seen some other activities like this in which other animals are eating, like they are feeding the animals through different things like alphabets and fruits. You can take anything. And see, I'm going to apply tape so it will be like stronger and nobody will be able to damage this. So my activity is almost ready. Just cut the extra tape. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please like the video and share the video. Thank you. The activity is ready. You can take anything according to your taste. Bye.